Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open Quick Drop in LabVIEW. So Quick Drop is the fastest way to find and place object without digging through palettes. So the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl Space. Click on it and this will open Quick Drop dialog box. Now, how you can use this box? Now, type the name. Start typing the name of the function, control, or constant you need. So let's say bundle, for example, or numeric, something like that. Maybe this one. Okay. Then select from list, use the arrow keys to navigate the filtered list. And when you are done, press enter or double click the item. The object will now be stuck to your cursor, and click on the block diagram or front panel to drop it, like here. Once the quick drop window is open, you can use these modifier shortcuts to speed up your coding also. So if you use Ctrl I, automatically inserts the selected function into the middle of an existing wire. Then if you Ctrl P, what we're gonna do that is replace a selected replace a selected object on your diagram with the one you just typed into the quick drop. So if you have something, you can change it like that. Then we have Ctrl D, automatically creates controls and indicators. And then we have Ctrl R, removes the selected functions and automatically repairs the broken wires. Now, if you use a specific function constantly, like unbundle by name, you can assign it a 2-letter shortcut. So if you open Quick Drop again, Ctrl Space, and then you click Configure in the dial box, go to the shortcuts, and map a key like UB to your favorite function right here. If you forget the shortcut, you can also find it under View. So let's go here under View, and Quick Drop is, sorry, not that one. View and Quick Drop is always here. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next